Welcome to the completion video for Project Catalyst Project 1200131, implementing the Cardano Foundation Identity Wallet in Landano. I'm Aaron Mogwin, co-founder of Landano, and I'll cover what we've accomplished, the challenges we overcame, and how this benefits the Cardano community and beyond. Real-world implementation on Cardano has never been more important. This prototype is a practical implementation of the Cardano Foundation's Veridian Identity Wallet. While we developed it to prove identity in low documentation, low institutional trust environments such as rural Africa, it's available to anyone as an open source Mendix prototype, allowing other Cardano or any of the over 300,000 active Mendix developers to accelerate their own decentralized identifier solution. This adaptable plugin can attract other real-world asset projects to Cardano seeking the right OpenDID platform and protocol for RealFi success, while other digital wallet initiatives stall or see slow uptake. We've implemented the 3 use cases from our design document, completed testing, and collected feedback from Mendix community members and blockchain security stakeholders. Several development issues were identified and overcome, and some technical adaptations were needed to align with Veridian's current development stage. More on that after the demo. Now let's see it in action. Each party has already set up the customized Veridian wallet connected to the Landano carry instance. The backend has resolved each user's out-of-band introductions, establishing trusted connections between all participants, and the landowner has a custodial Cardano wallet connected in the Mendix backend. The system has 4 layers. Mendix is the orchestration layer, handling all business logic and UI without ever touching a private key. A carry cloud agent relays messages between the backend and users. The Veridian wallet, customized by Landano, runs on the user's device and holds their carry autonomic identifier. All signing happens here at the edge. The Cardano blockchain provides the immutable on-chain record accessed via the Cardano client library and Blockfrost. This prototype set out to demonstrate 3 use cases, all necessary to show integration of Veridian with Landano's basic transaction processing flow, and all transferable to many other situations. First, use case 1, identity credential issuance. A village chief has a Mendix account linked to their carry AID and a legal identity identifier establishing their community authority. The chief issues a verifiable credential to the representative, authorizing them to act in land transactions. Mendix sends an IPEC apply message to the chief's Veridian wallet. The chief approves directly on their device. The private key never leaves. The backend issues the AC/DC credential and delivers it to the representative's wallet via IPEC grant, visible in both Mendix and Veridian. Second, use case 2, NFT ownership verification. NFTs represent rights to specific land plots. The rights holder creates a binding, selects the NFT type in Cardano wallet, then signs the binding message with both their carry identity wallet via Veridian and their custodial Cardano wallet. Both signatures are embedded in the NFT metadata, an immutable dual signature proof of ownership verifiable on-chain. AID, wallet address, carry exchange ID, and Cardano signature, all stored on the Cardano pre-production testnet. A third-party verifier can confirm ongoing NFT control. The system queries the blockchain, checks the NFT is held by the original wallet, and sends a fresh carry challenge to the landowner's Veridian wallet. The landowner approves. All 3 checks pass. NFT in the right wallet, fresh challenge verified, Cardano signature valid, ownership confirmed. And finally, use case 3, wallet balance verification. Using the same dual signature binding, a landowner proves they control a Cardano wallet holding sufficient ADA. Both signatures are validated, the system queries Blockfrost, and the confirmed ADA balance is displayed. The verifier can be certain the wallet belongs to the identity holder they're dealing with. On the Cardano wallet side, a custodial wallet is used with security measures ensuring only the wallet holder can decrypt the key. This proof of concept demonstrates that a low-code platform like Mendix can orchestrate decentralized identity verification, combining carry-based self-sovereign identity with Cardano blockchain assets, with all signing at the edge. The road getting here wasn't straightforward. Here are the most significant challenges and how we overcame them. First, REST versus proper carry integration. The earlier approach used REST endpoints as a workaround. We replaced this with CF Signify Java in the backend and CF Signify TS in the wallet, the architecturally correct path. The CF libraries simply weren't mature enough yet. Now they are. Second, dual signature binding. Embedding both a carry identity signature and a Cardano wallet signature into a single NFT metadata record is non-trivial. The solution, generating both against the same binding message, means neither can be forged independently, sidestepping the challenge of proving a blockchain wallet and a self-sovereign identity belong to the same person. And third, edge signing without key exposure. Keeping private keys on the user's device while letting Mendix orchestrate the workflow required careful message passing design via OOBI resolution and IPEX. The architecture cleanly separates orchestration from signing. At Landano, we believe property rights should be accessible to everyone. This is one step closer to making that real. For the Cardano ecosystem and Mendix community alike, this provides a meaningful reason for Mendix developers to build on Cardano. We'll continue implementing Veridian as we build our solutions, and the open source plugin will remain available for anyone to customize. A big thanks to Project Catalyst for their support. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and working together on future initiatives. Do not hesitate to get in touch, and thanks.